Magandang umaga! It's 10:30 in the morning. It's our second day here in Wakayama. And now we're about to see the Wakayama Castle. Wakayama Castle, also known as the Ota Castle. And Wakayama Prefecture sits at the mouth of the Kii Peninsula. Oh, wait, did I get right? I'll verify that later. It's hot. It's almost 39 degrees now. I'm sweating. I've only been walking for 3 minutes. Yaba ko na eh. What is that?
They were extinct when they put them there a little while back. I like the way someone put a jar there so it looks like he's holding it.
Yeah. I'm vlogging. You're on my vlog. Is it okay?
Okay.
Say hi.
Hi. It's so hot.
I know. This is called the Shichifuku no Niwa, Garden of Seven Lucky Gods. Finally made it. Huh? Wait, after struggling, walking that steep road, we made it here to Wakayama Castle. Hey, this is the latest now. The Corona Ninja. He's spraying everybody with alcohol and a mist. Yay! Thank you. Bye, Wakayama Castle. Entrance to the Wakayama Castle is 410 for adults and 200 for kids. That is his friend Asad. For you. Why is the water so dirty? Smooth.
Green, it's moss, it's not dirty.
Really?
It's just like the land.
Go swimming then.
Yeah.
I can swim there.
This is our last stop before we head to Kobe.
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 You sound like an American.
Are now heading to Wakayama Art Museum. Checking out the paintings at the Museum of Modern Art, and it was all good, but as usual, no photos are allowed. Hello, good evening guys. So from Wakayama, nandito na kami now to Kobe, Japan. We came here to see Killian's cousin Lauren, and now we are taking a walk going to Kobe Port. They walk in the middle, dance like cloth. Dance like cloth from the academy. Kobe by night. Market. The whole stretch of this place are bars and eateries. We are here near the port. We're about to grab a drink. Kampai!
Kampai.
Seno. Kampai! How do you say this in Irish? Sloncha.
In Tagalog.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
Yay! Baby, where are we right now?
We are in Kobe at Union Hotel. First night was driving, second night Wakayama, third night Kobe.
Our room number is 1808.
Sorry.
This is the view from our hotel room, and we are staying on the 18th floor. Bom dia! Good morning! They do it! Magandang umaga po. I just woke up and I look like this. Nante. Casper's awake. We're heading now to guess where? Hint. Deers. We're heading to Nara. Ciao.
See you there.
See you later, alligator.
Down south, hood baby, make all the girls go crazy,
Go stupid. But you smart like an A+ student. Right now, looking for your love.